Hello and welcome to this new video on how to close or disable sidebar on ChatGPT. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open a web browser of your choice. Now in the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar. Now just type ChatGPT and press enter the keyboard. After that, the ChatGPT interface will be opened right in front of you. And on the top left corner, there is an icon, and when you hover around it, it says open sidebar. So you can just click here to open sidebar, and you can just click here to the close sidebar. So mostly when you open the ChatGPT interface, first thing that it shows is the sidebar on the left hand side. So in order to close, you can just go to the top left side of the sidebar, and there will be this icon. When you hover around it, it will say the close sidebar text. You can just click here and your sidebar will be closed. So this is how you can close or disable sidebar on ChatGPT. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.